Hi guys.
Hi. Dude, I just took off my pants. Do you want to see?
Where's Karen? Where's Karen? Karen! Karen, come here! Dun, 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 dun. Karen! Karen, do you like cheese? Karen, you have to tell me. Wait, I'm talking to him. Karen, do you like cheese?
I like cheese.
You like cheese?
Yeah, no.
No, you don't like cheese. He doesn't like cheese. That.
No, I live in Wisconsin. What do you think?
Well, I know some people that don't like cheese. Nathan, do you like cheese?
Yeah.
Where's my headphones?
I like cheese because it's like cheesy and yellow, and there's cheddar and not they're over there.
Aaron, do you like cheese?
Oh my God! Look at our tree.
Why?
Look at the tree we're
Because I live in Wisconsin.
Dude, I just fucking barked in my mouth.
That's called heartburn. That is called heartburn, people. Maddie.
Reflex disease.
Maddie.
I don't want to be in a video.
Yeah, Nathan, help me. Aw, Nathan and Maddie. Your face. Bye, people.
Sexy hair. I love your bump now. It's sexy. I bet yours on.